If you've got a mortgage coming up for renewal soon, you're going to want to stick around and watch this video. Here's the thing. I was running the numbers using my mortgage app, and it's the same one I use with all my clients. You can download it yourself and you can run the numbers too. It's really easy to do. So in this scenario here, I had a client, they had a $600,000 mortgage. They locked in way back in 2020 at 2.29%, and they've been paying around $3,115 per month. Now their mortgage is up for renewal, and the lender sent them a letter offering them 4.69%. The monthly payment now jumps from $3,115 to $3,843. That's a jump of $728 per month. Same house, same mortgage, just a higher rate. So here's the thing. They don't just have to sign what the lender sent them. They can shop it around, right? So you have lots of options, right? You can switch. So at renewal, you can switch lenders without a penalty, and that sometimes will make a huge difference. In this case here, I helped the client find an adjustable rate mortgage. We got them 4.25%. That brought their payment down to about $3,704 per month, saving them about $139 per month, or about $8,340 over the next 5 years. So same mortgage, just a better result. And I ran all those options in the app, and you can do the same too. It's really easy to do. Now let's pivot to what if you've got debt. So if you're carrying some debt, like say $25,000 on a credit card, that's a different conversation. So at 20% interest, that's about $5,000 a year in interest alone. And that's money that's just gone, right? And if you're just making interest-only payments, the principal barely moves. But what if we do a refinance at renewal? Well, we can roll that debt into the mortgage at 4.25%. And now that interest drops to just over $1,000 a year. So not only are you saving money, but your monthly cash flow is improving too, right? One payment, one plan, and now you're starting to see some actual progress. But now let's talk about strategy. Most cases, if you're just signing that letter, you're not talking and talking about your goals and what your strategies are. And so what if your goal is to pay your mortgage off faster? Well, that's where it gets really interesting, and we're going to talk about prepayment privileges. So in the app, I'm going to show you on the screen here, what happens if you add a $5,000 lump sum to principal every single year using your prepayment privilege, and you increase your monthly payment by $155 more each month. What's the result? Well, almost $90,000 in interest saved, and you're mortgage free almost 6 years sooner. So that's huge. Not every lender will walk you through this strategy, and that's why you want to work with a mortgage agent. So it does pay to, look at your goals, talk with a mortgage agent, and look at different strategies like that. So whether you're up for renewal, or you're just thinking about refinancing, or you're just curious about the numbers and what they look like, I'm more than happy to help. I can run the numbers for you, or I can send you the link to my app, and you can download it and try it yourself. So just DM me and I'll connect with you, or just give me a call. My information is on my website at cavanaughmortgages.ca. Bye for now.